Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Sony XB100 wireless Bluetooth speaker. So friends, let's unbox it. And it is a Bluetooth speaker. It gives 16 hours of battery life. So let's open it. Here it is, the Sony speaker, and it's a clothing material. You can see Sony. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here you will see some product specification guide and one USB to type C cable. And friends, you will also get user manual like this. You can see here it is the reference guide, and one is a Sony guide. You can see. Let's keep it aside and check the build quality. You can see it is a plastic. You can see the model number also, and to on it you have to long press this and one tap on Bluetooth. And let's see its sound quality also. You can see friends, you can see its quality is very superb quality. You can purchase it from my given link, and you can see the strap over this. The strap quality is very good. You can buy it from my given link. I have given the link in my description. You can buy it from there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.